If you're looking for a good video publishing platform run by AI, then InVideo.io is a good site to go to get signed up and start creating videos right away. Let's take a look at how you do that. Go up here to the top and you will sign up to the website. You're going to see something that looks like this. You got your account stuff over here. You've got a dashboard and a few options over here on the left. And then any active projects that you've been working on will be here in the middle. And then you can do a few things. You can either keep working on projects that you've already done, or you can create a new template and work that up with content you can get from within the site, or you can do text to video. And here you also have an option to do a URL to a video. So you get some good options there. And then this is the stock media library, and then your overall project editor. Okay, so here is a small script about the Diablo 4 game that I created in InVideo really quickly. I used a basic YouTube size template. I put a little bit of text into the storyboard just to populate the words, and then I uploaded some of my own graphics. In this case, NVIDIA doesn't have a lot of Diablo 4 graphics in its database right now, so the best thing to do there was for me to load my own. But they do have a million images in their library that they use to try to match up with content that you're wanting to do. So anyway, as we scroll down, each slide has a background scene. It's got the text that I wanted in here. It pretty much has everything I need in here just to tell a basic story. There is some, down here in the bottom, there is some background music that is in the whole video, and I can adjust the master volume up and down here. I think it was a little too high earlier, so I'm going to turn it down to about just 15% so we can actually hear it, and then just click on it and I'm done. Here, if you had a voiceover, you could import a voiceover and line it up with your slides at certain time intervals if you wanted to. Works like any other video editor in that regard. But again, it's drop, drag, manipulate, and you get the whole thing done pretty quick. So once you're done with everything, you just hit export. I'm going to export it as a 1080p. And when the project is done, it will let me know. So there it goes right there. It's rendering, so in a few minutes it'll be done, and if I wanted to, I could go load it up on YouTube. I probably will, but I'll want to add a few more things to it. It'll save you a lot of time versus traditional desktop video creation tools, because it automate a lot of different things and simplifies many others to help you just come in here, pick a template, pick a message, auto-populate some slides, and then get to your end result. So, it's certainly worth it compared to what you would pay an external developer to do it. I mean, if you've got staff that can do PowerPoints and Word documents, they're not going to have any problem being able to do this. So there we go. The video's ready for prime time if I wanted to upload it. And from that point, we're good to go. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. In the description below, there's a link to InVideo.io. That's our affiliate link. So please use it if you want to go check them out and get a free trial. And if you like it even more than want to subscribe, then we appreciate it. We get a little credit for that too.